The success of your business isn't just about what you sell, it's about who you sell to. Today, we'll unlock the secrets to finding and understanding your ideal customer, turning market research into real business success. Let's build your customer avatar by exploring 5 key dimensions. First, demographics. We're talking about age range, gender, location, income level, education, and occupation. Next, psychographics. This includes values, interests, lifestyle choices, personality traits, and social groups. Then, pain points. These are the current challenges, unmet needs, frustrations, and daily struggles your customers face. Fourth, goals and aspirations. Think about their short-term goals, long-term dreams, career objectives, and personal ambitions. Finally, buying behavior. Consider their shopping habits, brand preferences, price sensitivity, and decision-making process. Let's dive into research methods. For primary research, you can use customer surveys, interviews, focus groups, social media polls, and website analytics. For secondary research, explore industry reports, market studies, competitor analysis, social media insights, and online reviews. Let's look at a real example. Sarah's eco-fashion brand, target customer demographics: women 25 to 40 years old, urban professionals, income 45,000 to 75,000 euros, college educated, psychographics, environmentally conscious, health aware, socially responsible, quality focused, pain points, wants sustainable fashion, struggles finding ethical brands, needs professional but eco-friendly clothing, limited time for shopping, goals, reduce environmental impact, look professional, support ethical businesses, build sustainable wardrobe, buying behavior researches before buying, willing to pay premium for quality, shops online primarily, values brand transparency. Where to find your ideal customers: online presence, social media platforms, industry forums, professional networks, online communities, physical locations, industry events, local meetups, relevant retail locations, professional gatherings, digital channels, email marketing, content marketing, targeted advertising, SEO optimization. How to validate your customer profile. Test your assumptions. Run small advertising campaigns, create customer surveys, conduct interviews, analyze engagement data. Key metrics to track engagement rates, conversion rates, customer feedback, purchase patterns, website behavior, refinement process. Gather data, analyze results, adjust profile, test again. Our platform helps you create detailed customer avatars, track customer insights, adjust your strategy, plan targeted marketing, measure success. Remember, understanding your ideal customer is an ongoing process. Keep listening, learning, and adapting to serve them better.